Apparently putting up the ring light is the hardest part about this. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Rachel. So today I thought I'd like build some furniture. I don't know. I'm redoing my room, so that means I need like new stuff for it. So I bought, what did I buy? I bought a little like shoe racky thing for my closet, and then I also bought a nightstand. I need to build them, so I thought, you know, could be good content. So here we go. I'm gonna start with the nightstand. I'm already so sweaty. Fun! I don't know what that is. I hope there's instructions. There better be. Things are labeled, so I would think so. You guys want to hear my nightstand story? It's really stupid. I was looking for a very specific nightstand. Looks like this exactly, pretty much. Very simple, just like a top with a drawer. It's just normal legs without designs, just like some squares, and then just like a shelf for the bottom, you know what I mean? And I could never find one. I couldn't find one anywhere. The closest I got was IKEA, but then the drawer was too small. And then I did like a ton of like online searching, and literally I was like, at this point I'm willing to pay like $1 million, and like I literally couldn't even find one anywhere on the entire internet. And I found one at Walmart, but then the handle was ugly, so I bought one. And I'm going to also make this 10 times harder for myself and try to put it on. I originally found one that I liked, and it was from Gisk, and it was like pretty cheap. It was like $60, and I wanted it in black because like my room theme is black. They didn't have any in store, so they had to order some for me. So they're like, okay, like we'll get your information, like pay now, and we'll tell you when it comes in. Oh, these are disgusting noises. We'll tell you when it comes in, like, and you can just kind of pick it up, kind of thing. And I was like, okay. And then like, it was 2 weeks, and I was like, okay, like, I'm not gonna bug them, like, And then it became like a month, and I was in Yisk with my mom, and my mom was kind of like, I'll say something, like, I'll ask, just to get like a little like, so when do you think it'll be in? So we asked, do you like the tower I'm building? She asked, they looked it up, they were just like, yeah, like, essentially like, we don't like make it anymore, like there's not one coming, there will never be one coming, sorry, kind of thing. Well, they were like nice about it, obviously, but they were like, sorry, like you can't have it. And they were kind of like, do you want a different one? Like, we'll like ignore like the price if you want like a more expensive one, blah blah blah. And I didn't like any of them because once again I have a very specific vision, and I was like, oh no, it's okay. So I got like a refund. They gave me 25% off whatever I wanted next time, kind of thing. So yeah, that didn't work out, and then since then I'd never been able to find one that I like. So now, did this not come with instructions? Oh, there's another piece of wood, and underneath it, this like looks like cardboard. It was like a secret cubby. There we go. Also, I'm calling this trying to build IKEA furniture. It's not from IKEA, but I thought it sounded better than like trying to build furniture from the furniture section of Meyer. Kind of thing. So I'm gonna need a hammer. They're gonna just use an object. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay. During the safety. You know what? I'm gonna assume I have all the parts. What does that mean? It just says to assemble the unit. That's what I'm trying to do in general. I need like step by step, like really stupid. Push 24 hidden cams into end of end A, back D, long front back skirt I, and short side J. Okay, I'm gonna lay them out really cute like they have it. Why are some of these bigger? Which ones are supposed to be bigger? Only one that's supposed to be bigger. What is the truth? No, these two are supposed to be bigger. I honestly did not think this would be hard, so that's cool. Also, do you like my shirt? It's about the only thing that I wear anymore. Also these shorts. Yeah, don't worry, I'm wearing pants. Oh, it doesn't look like I'm wearing pants. Oh. I found it. Okay, now we need to find it in here. Lost and insecure. Found me. Found me. Could you? Could you? I got a ring light. If you notice, my video quality's better. I wanted one, so here we are. I want to be a YouTuber, so I bought one. Nothing else going for us. We got this. We're on our way to completing step 1 out of, I don't know, there's 23 pages, so we'll see. Where were you? Where were you? Why wouldn't I just open this bag like a regular person? Like, I literally made the tiniest hole where only 2 fingers can fit, and I have to just viciously dig. Ooh, did something need to measure up? Good thing I have this thing. We're gonna turn you. So I think this tiny writing needs to always be facing here because there's a hole. I'm a genius. Great, I also just don't know how to read. Oh my gosh, I have to do this like 20 more times. Okay. Is this gonna take a while? Like, I didn't expect this to take long. Yeah, this makes sense now. I am a genius. I don't know why that song's in my head. I literally haven't listened to it. Oh, I think I did just have a stroke. I don't know why that song's in my head. I literally haven't listened to it in like forever. I've almost exclusively been listening to Christina Aguilera's Stripped album the past 3 weeks or so. So that's cool. But that found me at this moment when I was lost and insecure. It found me. It found me. 24 youths. I just did that 24 times. I hate myself. How many steps are there? Just so we know for like self-motivation. There's 11. But the 11th one, it's just like it goes from that to suddenly being together. So we'll see. Are you B? You're not B. You're B. Woo! You're doing amazing, sweetie. What time is it? Oh my gosh. Okay. Also, these legs will be part of this. Why is everything called cam? That's what's confusing. Are you like the only thing you could possibly be? Yeah, this is the only thing it could possibly be. Okay. So just everywhere. Like everywhere there's a hole, we're gonna put one. I have to actually screw these in. Oh my gosh. Is this going to be like 2 hours of footage with mediocre results? Both in the woodwork and in the video. And I'm gonna take 20 years to edit it. So it's like, I don't think it's splitting the wood. I think it's splitting like this colored finish, which I think is like a plastic coating. I have great form. I'm like fully faced away from the camera. Like, is this good content? Oh, this wood is sharp. Please don't hit the nails. No, no, that's not for you. This is so difficult. Are we just hanging out? Being a couple of bros, building some furniture? Doing some woodwork? Why aren't I wearing socks? I'm exposing my feet on the internet. I've been super like, I can do it. Like, yeah. Like, I changed these doorknobs myself because I was like, no, I can do it. It's very like handyman-y, handy-mandy. I don't need it to be this sturdy. Like, do we need these extra nails? As it collapses on me in the night somehow, even though it's just beside me on the ground, not in my bed, but. I'm putting my hair up. I don't care if it's ugly. Literally none of these look straight, but you know what? We're just living, so it's fine. I'm glad my window's open and children are playing outside with their parents nearby as I scream from my home at a piece of wood. Also, just so you guys know, side note, there's a thing called breakaway nails, which is where like, it's what I got because I didn't know the length I needed for something, those doorknobs. It's like nails with like different like levels to them. So like, if you want it a little bit shorter, you can literally just break the nail. Yeah, they're not like breakaway nails. You need pliers and I physically can't do it myself. Like, it's the most difficult thing. So like, would not recommend while we're on the topic of hardware today on my channel. And I had to get my mom to do it because I am weak in the hand. You're literally snapping metal in half and you need 2 pairs of pliers to do it, and like, it's the most difficult thing. Why are you different? No, you're not different. I'm just dumb. No, you're different. So my life flashed before my eyes. That's cool. That was disappointing. My back hurts already. It's because I'm hunched over. I don't know if I'm in frame, so that's my reasoning for being hunched. Imagine this entire thing is out of frame. This entire thing's out of frame, and I did this all for nothing except to get a nightstand I already had to do. I'm so bored. What's the skirt? Where's the skirts? Are you guys skirts? Yeah, you're friends from last time. So I need my brackets, which are you guys. Hey, back to step 2. That's perfect. Now 4 more times. I have like a list of video ideas that I came up with after literally having not a single video idea for like, I don't know, 4 months. So expect to see like maybe a couple more videos within this next year. It's just like me actually getting around to doing it. Actually, no. I'm pretty good about filming videos. It's editing. It takes me like, there's a Christmas video that was supposed to go up last year that I'm still not done editing. Like, I don't think I'll like continue editing it because it's literally from December 2017 and it's currently August 2018. If you want a Christmas video in September, I have one prepared, kind of. My back hurts. Oh, my back just cracked weird. Oh, I'm 80 years old. Who is Jay? Like, we're just recreating the pictures, which is fine. Okay. Who's missing a screw? We're gonna ignore that. One of you guys are Jay. Titan 12 hidden cam. What? Is that what's gonna happen? It's all gonna come together. Hey, this is happening, people. I'm so smart. Oh my gosh. I mean, they're a little flimsy, but I'm also a little weak. Is that why? Are you supposed to be a little flimsy? Like how buildings are a little flimsy in case of like tornadoes? The vision is coming together. I get it. We have a piece of wood, people. The other ones, and it's all in step 3. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare you by hitting my Inukshuk. Ain't nothing but a humble me, come tell me why. Oh, did you hear that? So I'm gonna need you guys. I'm coming home from work and just doing some woodworking in my room. So this part is always supposed to be, the little side is always supposed to be hanging out with these screws. Are you supposed to be gold? I think you're supposed to be gold. Like copper, but you know, you get what we get. Isn't this the most beautiful pose you've ever seen? See what I mean about magnetic? It's kind of annoying. Can I like get you to stick in the right way and you be stuck there? Now that's so helpful. My hands hurt. Good for them. It says patent pending glide system. So that's cool. Glad I get to be a part of this dream. Why is there 4? How many drawers do you have? This is what it looks like to give up, in case you're wondering. Does it matter? Yeah, you have to be like this. Okay. See, now we're gonna attach them. Okay, well, good thing I checked to see if I was still recording, because I wasn't, because somebody called me. So I don't know what the last thing you just saw was, but we've made some progress, clearly. So we're just gonna continue like nothing has happened. Okay. I put on socks. Absolutely not. No. So I put on some socks. Interesting content, I know. I just felt weird that my feet were out. This is a disaster. Which way is right? This way. Those are opposite things. This is I and this is E. How am I supposed to fasten them? You know what? I've tightened everything. We're just gonna say that's done. You're the bottom boy. You're a bottom boy. Okay. Oh, I know. I think I'm figuring this out. It's like the last step, but I'm like, I think I'm figuring it out. My mom's gonna come home any minute now, and I'm just gonna be constructing furniture in my room in front of a camera and a ring light. So that's cool. Carefully stand your unit upright. Oh boy. Why is this the most difficult part? I still haven't built the drawer. Hey you guys, it's your time to shine. Oh, you're gonna get to play. Weird piece I've been ignoring. So you're like this. I'm doing it! Yes! Slide them. There's 2 here? Do I break you apart? Why wouldn't they tell me that? Okay, what a weird thing to just keep a secret. Okay. You may need to gently tap them with the hammer. Let's do this. This seems secure. We're gonna fasten this. Please don't. Okay. So now's the part where we're supposed to put the handle on. I wish I had a handle on life, am I right, ladies? So this is the handle I bought because it's prettier than the one they gave me. So, what's the T, sis? Okay, you're gonna need to go in more than this. Okay, cool. Well, I'm not gonna do that. So, what other miscellaneous screws do I have laying around my room? Ignore that I mentioned this. I'm gonna not build this today. I wish I had another one of these ones. That would work great. Like, if I put 2 washers on this side and just no washer on this side, this is has turned very quickly into a DIY project. Something's connected. This completes assembly! Clean with your favorite furniture polish or damp cloth. Wipe dry. And to celebrate, why not share your success story? I am! Look, it literally does say YouTube. Please sponsor me. I'm so happy it's done. I forgot to peel off the stickers. There definitely is something in my hair. I'm sorry for all the time I sounded like the receptionist from Monsters, Inc. Look at this beautiful subpar nightstand that I have constructed by myself in 3 hours in my room in like 30-degree weather. We're not gonna eat tape. That's it. That's the video. I hope you liked it. If not, be sure to leave me a hate comment down below. I'll be waiting. Give it a thumbs up, please. Please. You don't know what I've just been through. I mean, you kind of do, but like, not to the full extent. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe for more crazy content like this. Whoa, we're gonna get wild on this channel this summer. I'll see you in my next video, whenever that is. But I have written a list in my notes on my phone, so hopefully soon. Fingers crossed. We'll see how it goes. I don't know. I love you, and I love that you're done. We did it, boys and girls. We did it. I need a thumbnail. I have some wood.